How to back up WhatsApp chats on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, and it will lead you here to your chat section actually. And it will look like this, where you can see all your conversations, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options. You'll see status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. So what you want to do is to go here and tap on the gear icon or the settings, and here on the third section, you will see account privacy, chats, notifications, storage, and data. So you have to go to your chat section here, and you will see in the second section, you'll see chat backup there. Tap on that, and you can actually tap on backup now if you want to back up your WhatsApp application on your iPhone right now. But you can actually you can set an automatic backup. Here, as you can see, it is actually set on weekly, but since you want, let's say you are always using the WhatsApp application, then you can tap on daily there. So it will actually include the videos here, so you turn that on. Now let's say you cannot tap on the chat backup there. That means that you have actually turned off the WhatsApp to be syncing on your iCloud. So to do that, to sync your WhatsApp to your iCloud, what you can do is to go here to your settings and go here to your, you will see the Apple ID suggestions here, right? You will see your Apple ID, your iCloud media and purchases. Tap on that and go here to your iCloud. Now here you'll see apps using iCloud. Tap on show all, and of course look for WhatsApp here and make sure that you have toggled that on to have this option, the chat backup option. And basically that's it. That is how you back up WhatsApp chats on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.